Okay, welcome to my new house. So we're in the front. You have stairs, hall closet, view into the kitchen, empty house tour. So we'll go this way. And then you have just kind of wall space. And then you come over here and you have kitchen. And kitchen. You have your laundry room area. You have your powder room area. And then you come back over this way, excuse me, and you go upstairs. And you come into one kid's bedroom. I think this one will be Paula's. And then you come over here, you have another kid's bedroom. This will be Heather's. Excuse me again. And then you have a kid's bathroom. Got my oils out and diffusing harvest spice. And then you have their shower, bathtub area. And then you have a very nice, big, little, not closet, yeah, I guess kind of closet, storage area. Walk into what I want to be my home office / filming area for doTERRA. Sorry, I'm going a little fast. You might get dizzy. Closet for the office space. I do love the big floor, big window. Love it, it's beautiful. And then master bath, and master shower. And just more of the master, you have like where the towels go. And then master bedroom. Again, look at this beautiful window, so gorgeous. And then you have a closet that we will have to outfit. So there is your house tour. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. So if you've been wondering where I've been and why videos haven't been popping up on YouTube, it's because we've been house hunting and we just bought this house. So this is our empty house tour. If you'd like to see a full house tour, once furniture and everything is in, let me know. If you have any ideas for my home office, leave a comment below with what you think that should look like. We're just really excited about this new opportunity and to be here in our new home in Phoenix, and just to I have so many great video ideas I want to do for you guys with essential oils that I can't wait to do in my new kitchen and in my new office, and to really just be settled in and to just see where life takes us. So thank you guys so much for following me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and please continue on your oil journeys and being a part of my oil journey, and I'd love to be a part of yours as well. Thanks, guys.